We wanted to try out freeze-dried quail eggs. We had 11 dozen that we put in here. They just finished up, and I'm about to take a look at them. They look a little differently than I thought that they would, but there's the first time for everything that we try, and we never know how it's going to come out. You have to scrape them off. They definitely stick. We don't have any of the silicone mats or anything like that yet. I did not pre-freeze them. I just measured out even amounts into each tray. You definitely have to scrape it off, break it up. And then one of the freeze-drying groups said put them in a Ziploc bag and smash them in there. Makes it a little bit easier. So I did that here with a rolling pin. It's a little one-handed, but it's only me videoing, so I went off camera, did that. I'm gonna go ahead and store them in mason jars for now. We're gonna try them out with cooking and see how that goes. Small jar for the neighbors so they can try out. But that's what 11 dozen freeze-dried quail eggs look like. So hopefully we like that.